In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Magic Zoom's B-roll in Submagic to enhance your clips. If you've ever wished your video could subtly push the viewer's eye toward the most important moment without complicated keyframing, Magic Zooms does exactly that. It applies clean, professional zoom-ins and punch-ins to your footage so your edits feel dynamic and intentional. Start by heading to submagic.so in your browser. Once you're there, log in and choose the account you want to work in. If you have access to more than one account, make sure you're in the right one for this project so your media and settings are exactly where you expect them to be. From your dashboard, you'll see the option to create a new project or open an existing project. Choose what fits your situation. If you're starting fresh, create a new project so everything is organized from the beginning. If you've already got footage in progress, simply open that existing project and pick up where you left off. Inside your project, navigate to the B-roll section, then select Magic Zooms. This is the dedicated area where Submagic keeps its smart zoom tools. Think of it as your control room for adding movement that guides attention and adds energy without distracting from your story. Now move to your clips. As you hover over or select a clip, you'll notice a small magnifying glass button appear. That icon is your gateway to the zoom library. Click it and you'll see the available zoom effects. These are preset zoom styles designed to be quick and consistent. Options like subtle punch-ins for emphasis, faster zooms for dramatic moments, or gentle reframes to keep faces centered. Choose the zoom effect that matches the mood of your moment. If the scene is delicate or conversational, a slower, softer zoom often works best. For action, big reveals, or a beat you want to hit right on the cut, a snappier zoom can make the moment land. Use your eyes and trust the feel of the shot. If your subject is off-center, pick a zoom that leads toward them to naturally guide the viewer's focus. When in doubt, err on the side of subtle. Small moves usually look more polished and are easier to stack across multiple clips without becoming distracting. And that's it. You've added professional-looking camera movement with just a few clicks. To recap, go to submagic.so, log in and choose your account, open or create a project, head to B-roll and select Magic Zooms, then click the magnifying glass on your clip and pick the zoom effect that fits your story.